Hello, this is my presentation. My name is Tania Jimena. My family name is Grabando. I am currently in relationship with Andres Felipe. We still don't have children. I am of Colombian nationality. My hometown is Neiva, and I live in Neiva, in Las Catletas neighborhood, in a small house. My address is Street 13, number 3232. I work as a stylist in my house. To communicate with me, you can call me at number 318-493-7859 or write to my personal mail tania.jimena.rueda@gmail.com. Thank you.